Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure and gather ingredients first. 200 g shelled pistachios, 100 g chopped white chocolate, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoon honey, 1 tsp vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Toast the pistachios in a 180 degrees C oven for 6-8 minutes until fragrant, then cool to room temperature. Pulse the nuts in a food processor to a coarse meal, reserve 2 tablespoons for coating, and finely chop the rest. Prepare a clean baking sheet, lined with parchment, and chill a metal bowl for the ganache to firm later. Heat 1/4 cup heavy cream gently until steaming but not boiling, about 60-90 seconds in a microwave or on low stove heat. Pour the hot cream over 100 g chopped white chocolate in the chilled bowl and let sit 1 minute before stirring to create a smooth ganache. Add 2 tablespoons honey and 1 tsp vanilla. Fold in the processed 200 g pistachio meal until evenly distributed. Cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes so the mixture firms enough to roll into approximately 20 truffles of 12-15 grams each. Melt 1/2 cup good quality couverture or chopped dark chocolate using a gentle double boiler. Aim for about 30 degrees C for a glossy finish or simply warm until fluid if serving quickly. Dip each chilled pistachio ball into the melted chocolate with 2 forks, tap off excess, then roll in the reserved 2 tablespoon pistachio crumbs or powdered sugar for contrast. Let coated truffles set at room temperature for 10-15 minutes, then transfer to the fridge. Store in an airtight container, refrigerated up to 10 days, or freeze in a single layer up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.